Hi, this is Mike Chiccaro from MarineMax Somers Point. I'm here today to walk you through our 2012 Sea Ray 300 SLX. I want to start here with the generous swim platform that the boat comes with. It also has a swim ladder, so you can get in and out of the boat whether you go to a cove and go swimming for the day, or if you're going to go out and do tubing, or you're going to do some water skiing. I also want to point out this generous sized sun pad area, which has a convertible option, so you can pick the sun pad up and use this area as a walk-through instead of a sun pad. Plenty of seating inside with cup holders everywhere. There's 4 cup holders just right here. The boat above me has a fixed top with canvas that is in excellent condition. We have a wet bar here with a sink. We have a refrigerator, and we have a garbage can. The cockpit of the boat is covered in a carpet that can be snapped in or snapped out. If the carpet is removed, there is a non-skid surface underneath, so you can use the boat either way. Up forward here, we have a captain's seat that has a bolster that can flip up or flip down and has plenty of room for 2 people to sit at. The boat comes with a Garmin, a GPS, chart plotter, also with manual gauges. On the port side here, the seating is very clever. You can move the seat forward and be facing aft and be part of the party, or you can move it backwards and you can lounge forward facing when the boat is running. On the port side here, we have a very large sized head with a sink and a mirror. On the starboard side, we have a couple of clever little things going on here. This windshield can be closed along with the windshield on a cold or windy day to stop any wind from getting in the cockpit. In addition, inside here is a cooler and your breaker panel and storage for your tables, and also your stereo head is in there as well. Going forward, we have an enormous amount of seating up here, in addition to a windlass and a stainless steel anchor. This boat is perfect for cruising around on the weekends, going to the fireworks, going out to dinner with family and friends, going skiing, or just cruising around. Again, my name is Mike Chiccaro. This boat can be seen at MarineMax Somers Point. Our number is 609-926-0600.